Welcome to Money Home. In this video, we are comparing 20 Amazon machines that can help you create, customize, package, or sell products from home. Stay until the end, because some of these machines may surprise you with what they can help you create, and one of them might be exactly the kind of starting point you were looking for. The direct Amazon links are in the description and in the pinned comment. At number 20, the Zule commercial-grade coffee maker is a simple but useful machine for anyone thinking about events, meetings, catering setups, or beverage service from home. The listing describes it as a large hot water urn and percolator pot dispenser with double-wall stainless steel construction, quick brew, and the ability to stay hot for tea and beverages at events and catering. The key point here is capacity. It is listed as serving 100 5-ounce cups at a time, which makes it more practical for group service than a normal kitchen coffee maker. Its product dimensions are 13, 8 inches deep, 13, 8 inches wide, and 22, 2 inches high, so you still need counter or table space, but it is not an industrial-size setup. The realistic offer here could be coffee service for small gatherings, pop-up tables, community events, or office-style beverage stations. Before buying, check the current page, confirm the serving size, and make sure the capacity fits the kind of events you actually plan to handle. At number 19, the Arcase's oil press machine is interesting because it turns raw ingredients into a product people can understand immediately: pressed oil. The listing describes an 820-watt automatic hot and cold seed oil extractor with stainless steel construction for home and commercial use. It is suitable for peanuts, walnuts, sunflower seeds, sesame seeds, soybeans, flax seeds, okra, and perilla seeds. But the listing also clearly says not to use olives, cocoa beans, spices, flowers, herbs, or coffee beans. That limitation matters because this is only useful if your planned materials match what the machine is designed to press. The temperature range is listed from 104 to 464 F or 40 to 240 C, and the special feature is a powerful motor. With dimensions of 5, 9 inches deep, 14, 19 inches wide, and 11, 2 inches high, it is compact enough for a small workspace. For a home business workflow, think small batch oils, demonstrations, or specialty ingredient testing, while checking local food rules before selling anything. At number 18, the Fox Alien Masseter Pro is one of the more serious tools in this ranking because it can support custom engraving, carving, routing, and small workshop projects. The listing describes a 3-axis CNC router machine with an all-aluminum structure, a linear rail Z-axis, and improved stability for detailed engraving and cutting on wood, acrylic, MDF, nylon, and more. That gives it a clear business angle. Signs, panels, personalized pieces, templates, decorative items, or prototypes. It also has a dust-resistant controller box with emergency stop and home buttons, which is useful when you are learning the workflow. The machine includes 52mm and 65mm spindle clamps and supports upgrade options such as a 65mm router or 5 kilowatt spindle for advanced carving needs. The working area is listed as 75 by 15, 75 by 2, 36 inches with optional Y-axis expansion. The main parts are pre-assembled and pre-wired, with setup listed at 10 to 15 minutes, but beginners should still expect testing, learning software, and dialing in materials. At number 17, the Elite Gourmet Food Dehydrator is a small machine for people who want to explore dried snacks, herbs, fruit, vegetables, pet treats, or craft drying from home. The listing describes 5 BPA-free 11, 4-inch trays and adjustable temperature controls from 95 F to 158 F, with horizontal airflow designed to distribute heat evenly and efficiently. That matters because dehydration depends on consistent airflow, not just heat. The listing mentions all-natural dehydrated foods and snacks with no added sugars, additives, or preservatives, along with fruit rolls, trail mix, granola, dried herbs, flowers, potpourri, dough crafts, mushrooms, and pet treats. It uses a bottom-mounted fan for air circulation, and the transparent trays let you monitor the process. It is also ETL listed at 350 watts and 120 volts for home use, with dishwasher-safe removable parts. The dimensions are 11, 4 inches deep, 11, 4 inches wide, and 8, 5 inches high. For business use, this is about small batches, presentation, packaging, and testing demand before scaling. At number 16, the Pula's upgraded photo light box is not a machine that makes a product, but it can help you sell products more professionally. If you are photographing small items, crafts, accessories, labels, tools, collectibles, or handmade products, clean lighting can make a huge difference. This 16 by 16-inch photo studio tent includes 480 LED beads, stepless dimming from 1% to 100%, and a high color rendering index of 95+. The listing says the lighting is designed to be brighter and softer, with no strobe or glare, so product photos can look more natural and textured. It also comes with 4 detachable PVC backdrops in white, black, orange, and green, giving you options for different product styles. The box supports overhead and frontal shooting, including a dedicated front photographic window. Assembly is listed at only 10 seconds, with no extra tools required, and it includes a carry bag. For a home business, this is a practical support tool for listings, thumbnails, and catalog-style product shots. At number 15, the Bielmeier electric staple gun is useful for upholstery, furniture repair, wood crafts, decor projects, picture frames, light trim, and fabric work. The listing positions it as an electric upgrade from manual staple guns, designed to reduce repetitive hand squeezing and make fastening faster and more comfortable. It is powered by a rechargeable 4-volt lithium battery, so it works without an air compressor, hose, or power cord. At only 6 pounds, it is also easy to carry around a home workshop or repair space. This tool works as both an electric stapler and brad nailer, compatible with T50 staples from 1/4-inch to 9/16-inch and 18-gauge brad nails from 9/16-inch to 5/8-inch. It includes 200 staples and 400 nails. The listing says it can drive up to 850 staples per charge and fire up to 50 shots per minute. For a home business workflow, it could support small upholstery repairs, craft pieces, decor assemblies, and repeat fastening tasks. At number 14, this laminator machine is a practical pick for paper-based products, classroom materials, office services, menus, cards, photos, signs, planners, and reusable sheets. The listing says it is compatible with pouch sizes from business cards up to A3 paper, which gives it a broader range than smaller laminators. It also includes thermal and cold laminating support, a built-in paper trimmer, a corner rounder, and 50 pouches, so the basic workflow is already supported from the start. The ABS button is important because it helps release stuck papers or pouches if a jam happens, and the listing describes it as a one-touch paper exit feature. It also mentions a 2-roller heating system and intelligent temperature control to protect the machine. The maximum laminating width is listed as 13 inches, the item weight is 5 pounds, and the dimensions are 54 inches long, 71 inches wide, and 15 inches high. For a small home service, this is about organization, repeatable finishing, and simple add-on products. At number 13, the Fuet Pressurized Handheld Steam Cleaner is a tool for cleaning services, car detailing support, small rental prep, home refresh jobs, and deep cleaning tasks around hard surfaces. The listing describes 1,050 watts, a 3 to 5 minute fast heat up, and pressurized hot steam at 230 F for up to 8 to 12 minutes. It is suited for hard surfaces including ceramic, marble, sealed hardwood, tile, sinks, stoves, windows, sofas, toys, and cars. The listing also highlights chemical-free cleaning with no harmful fumes or residue, plus a safety child cap. It includes a 12-piece accessory kit with 4 round brushes and other attachments, giving you different options for detail cleaning. The handheld design and compact body are meant to be easy to carry, and the 8-foot power cord helps reach more areas. The water tank capacity is 350 milliliters, with a recommended load within 280 milliliters. For business use, this is a small tool, so the realistic workflow is focused detail cleaning, not huge jobs. At number 12, the Hanshin Powder Filling Machine is a packaging-focused machine for people working with materials that need measured filling. The listing describes a 5 to 100 gram glitter filling machine with a foot pedal and automatic bottle or bag filling for tea, seeds, grains, powder, glitter, and similar materials. The important detail is that it uses a double vibration design, with strong magnetic vibration feeding and vibrating motor discharging. According to the listing, that helps reduce material residue and increase filling accuracy when the material has a certain level of fluidity. It also has an HD visual window on the side of the external storage hopper, so you can observe the material discharging inside. Safety features include double fuses, a 3-wire plug, and a dust-proof protective shell inside the machine to help isolate the main board from flying dust. Recommended uses include powder, grains, seeds, hardware parts, and glitter. For a home business setup, this is about consistent small packaging, labeling, and repeat orders. At number 11, the MCP-01 model, shaped candy ball counting machine, is a compact option for counting and dispensing small items. The listing describes it as a compact digital counting machine for accurate dosing, and the captured facts say it is small and easy to store. What makes it interesting for a home workflow is that it is suitable for shaped items and hardware counting, not only one narrow item type. The listing also says it provides high-precision counting and dispensing, can directly bottle or package counted items, and is easy to clean and maintain. That points towards small packaging tasks where consistency matters, such as counted candies, small parts, craft pieces, hardware packs, or similar measured bundles. The listing also says it prevents direct contact with medicine, but if you are dealing with anything regulated, you need to check the rules carefully before using or selling. For ordinary non-regulated packaging, the business angle is speed and repeatability. Counting by hand can become slow when orders increase, while a small counting machine can make the process more organized. At number 10, the Caseta C300 Professional USD Coin Counter is not for making a product, but it can support cash-heavy side businesses, vending routes, laundromat-style operations, event tables, or any setup where coins need to be counted, sorted, and wrapped. The listing says it is designed in California and can count and sort coins at a speed of 300 coins per minute. It has a hopper capacity of 2,000 coins, which is useful if you regularly process larger amounts. The quick-load coin tubes are designed so you can swap the full roll with the next coin wrapper from the bottom of the tube, instead of removing the tube every time. The package weight is listed as 8 pounds. Another useful feature is printing compatibility. The listing says it can pair with the Caseta thermal printer, sold separately, to print a detailed receipt of the daily count for bank deposits and records. For a home business, this machine is about admin efficiency, record keeping, and reducing the time spent sorting coins manually. At number 9, the M-Mace Professional Nail Drill Machine is a compact beauty service tool for nail prep, shaping, filing, cuticle work, gel polish removal, and acrylic nail prep. The listing describes a coreless motor designed to improve cutting, shaping, filing, and cuticle removal, while being energy efficient and long-lasting. It also has a 2-in-1 desktop and portable wireless design, so it can be used at a salon-style table or moved around more easily. The acetone-resistant aluminum alloy casing is included to protect the machine from the effects of nail polish. The listing mentions adjustable speed gears, long-lasting battery, and an HD display. It also highlights 35,000 RPM performance, CE-certified high-speed bearings, and an aluminum handpiece. Battery life is listed at up to 10 hours, with a 2 to 3 hour recharge and LCD battery status display. For business use, this is not a complete nail setup by itself, but it can be one key tool in a controlled, clean, appointment-based workflow. At number 8, the Nostalgia stainless steel electric fondue pot can support dessert tables, small event setups, tasting stations, party services, or themed food experiences from home. The listing describes a 6-cup stainless steel electric fondue pot with temperature control, 6 color-coded forks, and a removable pot. It is designed for chocolate, caramel, cheese, sauces, and more, which gives it several possible menu angles. The all-inclusive set includes the color-coded fondue forks, a support ring, and a 1.5-quart electric fondue pot. The blue-lit temperature control dial helps keep fondues at the desired temperature, and the Cool Touch side handles are there for safer handling when moving the removable pot. It also comes with a 38-inch cord. The listing highlights stainless steel construction, detachable dishwasher-safe parts, and a durable tabletop design. For business use, this is about presentation and controlled portions. It would make the most sense for small gatherings, dessert add-ons, or testing a simple party service concept before buying larger equipment. At number 7, the NutriChef Pressurized Growler Tap System is a compact beverage tool for homebrew, craft draft service, tasting setups, or small event presentation. The listing describes a 64-ounce stainless steel mini keg dispenser with a CO2 pressure regulator, designed to keep carbonation for craft beer, draft, and homebrew. It includes a metal screw-on lid cap for portable transportation and storage, and its 13.4-inch height is meant to fit in a home fridge or kegerator. The barrel is listed as the same volume as traditional growlers and is laser marked at the fill level. The listing says it can keep beer vacuum pressured and fresh for up to 2 months, and the accessories are made with S/S300 for stainless steel. It works with disposable 16-gram CO2 gas cartridges, which are not included, and each cartridge is listed as pumping around 128 ounces of beer before going empty. For business use, check local alcohol laws carefully. For non-commercial use, it is still useful for testing beverage presentation and small batch service ideas. At number 6, the Brio Bottom Loading Water Cooler Dispenser is a support machine rather than a product-making machine, but it can improve a small workspace, client area, office corner, studio, or service room. The listing says it fits either a 3 or 5-gallon jug inside the cabinet, so you do not have to lift heavy bottles onto the top. It provides hot, cold, and room temperature water, which can be useful for refreshments, quick beverages, cleaning prep, or customer comfort during appointments. The hot water spout includes a child safety lock with a 2-step dispenser, which is an important detail if the machine is around family or visitors. It also includes smart technology that lets you know when the bottle needs to be replaced, reducing guesswork around refills. The design uses stainless steel accents, and the listing positions it for home or office use. Included components are the bottom loading dispenser, manual, and care guide, while the bottle is not included. For a home business setup, this is about convenience, presentation, and smoother daily operation. At number 5, the Mantistal Pro Heavy Duty Laminate and Vinyl Floor Cutter is a specialized tool for flooring work, repair services, renovation support, or DIY project jobs. The listing describes a 17mm Pro Heavy Duty Cutter for laminate, vinyl floor, engineered wood, LVP, VCT, SBC, LSBC, VSBC, ABC, and WPC, with a full cut of 13 inches. It uses an extruded aluminum base with a solid plastic surface as the working area and a telescopic handle that provides extra leverage for more cutting power with less effort. The listing gives clear handling guidance. Before cutting, press your hands or feet against the floor, then cut, and do not press the handle again after the floor is cut off. It also warns that if the floor is not pressed down, the blade may break or chip. There is a guidepost side hole for fixing the cam when not working, and the blade has a protective cover. For business use, this is about accurate cuts, safety habits, and knowing the flooring materials you actually plan to handle. At number 4, the Vivant Manual Coffee Grinder is a small, low-power tool for coffee tasting setups, travel coffee kits, specialty beverage tables, office coffee service, or small batch prep. The listing says it needs no batteries or power and includes the grinder, handle, glass jar, and lid for storage. That makes it portable and simple, but it also means the workflow is manual, so it is best for smaller quantities rather than high-volume service. The stainless steel conical burr is described as grinding 2 times faster and more consistently than ceramic burrs, with 6 easy grind settings and no disassembly needed to adjust. It holds up to 32 grams of beans, and the glass jar is marked for precise measurements. The listing also says it assembles and disassembles in seconds, is quick to clean, lightweight, portable, and whisper quiet. The grind settings are listed for espresso, French press, Chemex, AeroPress, cold brew, V60, Turkish coffee, and more. For business use, think premium presentation and controlled small batch coffee experiences. Number 3, the Kato Screen Printing Starter Kit is one of the more creative business starting points in this list because it can support custom shirts, tote bags, tank tops, and printed designs. The listing includes 31 pieces with 4 different screen printing frames, wood silk screen frames with 110 mesh, squeegees, inkjet transparency film, an ink knife, gloves, and masking tape. The 4 frame sizes are listed as 10 by 14 inches, 2 by 12, 2 inches, 6, 7 by 10, 6 inches, and 5, 1 by 9 inches, which gives you flexibility for different design sizes. It also includes 2 squeegee sizes, 9, 4 inches, and 5, 9 inches. The larger one can cover the full screen more easily, while the smaller one is better for smaller patterns and single-handed use. The A4 water-resistant transparency film helps transfer designs for silk screen printing, and the wood sticks and ink knife help with mixing and transferring ink and emulsion. For home business use, this is about practice, design quality, clean setup, and repeatable printing. At number 2, the Elegoo Saturn Resin 3D printer is a powerful option for people who want to make detailed models, prototypes, miniatures, custom parts, or design samples from home. The listing describes the Saturn 4 Ultra 16K Resin 3D printer with a 10-inch 16K mono LCD, flip-up lid, smart tank heating at 30°C, and a large printing size of 33 by 4, 66 by 8, 66 inches. The 16K resolution is described as capturing fine details, smooth surfaces, lifelike textures, and precise model detail. Smart tank heating keeps the resin at 30°C, which the listing says helps fluidity and layer adhesion while reducing issues such as bubbles and layer separation. It also has auto leveling with no manual adjustment needed, plus a plug-and-play style workflow. The tilt release technology is listed with speeds up to 150 millimeters per hour, and smart mechanical sensing supports residue detection, resin shortage alarms, and leveling failure alerts. For business use, this requires resin handling, cleaning, post-processing, safety, design work, and customer demand. And at number 1, the Takis Meat Slicer machine is a strong final pick because it supports repeatable food prep, deli-style slicing, catering prep, small event setups, and controlled portioning at home. The listing describes a 200-watt meat slicer machine for home use with 2 removable 7.5-inch stainless steel blades and an adjustable dial from 0 to 15 millimeters. It is designed to slice raw meat, cooked meat, cheese, bread, vegetables, roast beef, turkey breast, and fruits. The safety setup matters here. The listing says you must press the safety lock and power button at the same time to start, helping avoid accidental operation. It includes a serrated blade and a non-serrated blade made from German high-carbon stainless steel. The removable blade, cutting platform, food carriage, slide rod extension, and food pusher are designed to make cleaning easier and more thorough. The dimensions are 33 inches long, 6 inches wide, and 6 inches high, and the material is stainless steel. For business use, always check food safety rules, cleaning standards, and whether your planned product can be prepared legally from home. And that wraps up today's Money Home ranking. As you saw, these machines cover very different workflows, from food prep and packaging to cleaning, printing, product photos, craft production, customer service, and small workshop projects. None of them is a shortcut by itself, but the right machine can help you build a more realistic offer if you understand the materials, the space, the cleaning, the rules, and the demand before buying. You can find all the product links in the description and in the pinned comment. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to Money Home for more realistic machines and tools that can support home-based business ideas. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.